Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to update Discord application on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, write in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. And the first thing you need to do absolutely on any iOS device, both iPhone and iPad, you need to go to the Apple Store. Further search box, write the word Discord. Find this application, and here you will have it written open or it will be written update. As soon as you have it written update, you click update and it will resume to the latest version. And if it says open, it means that your Discord has already been updated to the latest version. And another way you can do that is to go to settings on your iPhone or iPad. Open the General tab, iPhone Storage. Scroll down here. Find Discord and click Unload the app. That clears the cache. But all your conversations, chats, video calls are still there. But you click Unload apps. You re-download. And then you'll have the latest version of Discord on your iPhone. It may not even be in the Apple Store yet, but you'll have it. It's as simple as that. You can do this and update the Discord app on your iPhone or iPad. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, write in the comments. We'll definitely read. I will answer. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.